dipole in an electric field, তাহলে আমাদের নর্থ ডিরেকশনে একটা ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড আছে আর এইভাবে ডাইপোলটা অ্যালাইন রয়েছে। তাহলে ডাইপোল মোমেন্ট আমার এই ডিরেকশনে নেগেটিভ টু পজিটিভ আসছে। একটা চার্জ থাকলে তার উপরে ফোর্স কত হবে, কিউ। তাহলে প্লাস কিউয়ের জন্য এই কিউটা হয়ে যাচ্ছে আপওয়ার্ড, অ্যান্ড দিস মাইনাস কিউ এটার জন্য কিউই ফোর্স হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এই কিউইটা নিচের দিকে ডাউনওয়ার্ড থাকছে। তাহলে এটা আমাদের ডাইপোল মোমেন্টের ডিরেকশন, আর এইটা আমাদের ই এর ডিরেকশন। এদিকে আমার ডাইপোল মোমেন্ট, এই পাশে আমার ই। আচ্ছা, দুটো দিকে আমার সমান কিউই ফোর্স, তাহলে ইকুয়াল এন্ড অপোজিট ফোর্স একটা প্যারালাল দিকে রয়েছে, তার এফেক্টে কি হবে, ডাইপোলটা ঘুরে যাবে, it will rotate, and it will rotate in a certain way such that the alignment becomes along the electric field. Now the dipole has the distance of separation is 2a, and it makes the angle theta. So this is theta, so this part is 2a cos theta, and this is 2a sin theta. This part 2a sin theta, and this part is twice a cos theta. Now the force this side and this side, perpendicular distance between them is 2a sin theta. So the torque, they will experience a torque. The torque will be either force into perpendicular distance. Either force is nothing but QE into perpendicular distance is 2a sin theta. So Q into 2a is equal to P. So this is P sin theta. We can write it tau is equal to P cross E. This torque tend to rotate the dipole towards the electric field. Now there is a very good example of this behavior of a dipole in our everyday life, and that is in the microwave. This is a electric dipole. Say this is a water molecule only. Say this is oxygen, one oxygen and two hydrogen, right? This angle, so this oxygen becomes slightly electronegative. This oxygen is electronegative, so it pulls the charge, negative charge towards it, and the hydrogen pulls the positive charge towards them. So this becomes as a dipole, and in the microwave we do some oscillating electric field. So the field flip-flops, okay, changes very frequently. So very frequently as the field changes, the water molecules also flip-flops, and this way this motion generates heat, and this heat actually prepares the food. So when theta is equal to 0 and theta is equal to 90 degree, what will happen, this sin theta part will come to play. When theta is equal to 0 means it is perfectly aligned with the electric field, 0 degree angle. Sin 0 is equal to 0, so there will be no torque. And when theta is equal to 90 degree, that is P is here and field is here, so there will be maximum torque. It will try to align the dipole towards it. So here it is maximum, we get it as, and tau is equal to 0. Now suppose a dipole of moment P is oriented at an angle theta. The torque will be, as just we obtained, torque will be P sin theta. Now if we want to rotate the dipole against the torque for a further d theta, for a further d theta amount, we try to rotate it, okay. So we have to do against the torque. So now the work done will be what? dw is equal to tau d theta. So if we want from theta 1 to theta 2, rotation from theta 1 angle to angle theta 2. So the work done will be w is equal to integration theta 1 to theta 2 tau d theta, that is equal to Pe sin theta d theta Pe integration theta 1 to theta 2 sin theta d theta minus cos theta. So this becomes minus Pe cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This work done is stored in this dipole in the form of potential energy. Okay. Now in case of potential energy, we first mention a zero level, and in this case at 90 degree the zero level is actually taken off. So theta 1 is equal to 90 degree, this is our zero level. So from here to any angle theta, if we want to rotate, so in that case it will be u is equal to minus Pe cos theta, since cos 90 is equal to 0. So we can write potential energy is nothing but P dot E with a minus sign. It is a dot product. Now when the theta is 0 degree, that is the dipole is actually purely aligned with E, so angle becomes 0. See, here the aligned with P, the angle will be 0. In that case, the potential will be, energy will be negative. U is minus P, which is negative. And if P is just opposite, it's aligned, if P is aligned just opposite to E, okay, not like this but like this, in that case the potential energy will be maximum, which is plus P. See, so it is highly stable, it is highly unstable, and at theta is equal to 90 degree, E is equal to 0. This is the actual our reference.